Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Also, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find the link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So make sure you go to the comment section and click on the link there. Follow us on our Telegram channel. Now, let's take a look at gold, what we should be expecting this week on gold. Now, guys, let's see it. I've literally explained this thing to you guys before. When we go to the daily time frame, I told you guys that this is the resistance level, right? This is another resistance level. This is the resistance level. And then this here would be we'll take a look at this at the support level here. We can see price came again, support, we had a rejection to the upside, support level. So in the long run, later on, probably if market pushes up to test this resistance level again for the second time, we saw that price came to this resistance level, it dropped, and it's coming to this resistance level. After that, we will be expecting another drop to this support level. So in the long run, if gold can come to tap this resistance level, then we should expect another drop. So for now, currently this week, we will still expect some bias to the upside. Now, before I actually get to this movement, if you guys have been following this channel consistently, you would have seen how I predicted this movement, right? When market was around this level, I told you guys that we would have a drop, then we would have a pullback. I also told you guys that another drop will be coming to level of 1810. You should be able to remember that, right? It got to level of 1810. Now, I told you guys that we should expect a movement to the upside. We should be a massive bullish move. Coupled with the fact that this Israel and Gaza war came in, right? This is one of the reasons why we've had this bullish move. We all know why. One of the reasons is that gold is literally a safe haven asset. When it comes to us time of uncertainty like this, you will see safe haven assets going up, and we can see gold is one of those safe haven assets going pushing up. Now, when you take a look at this, right, we've actually had another movement. We got to level of 1981. I told you guys when I did analysis for the week that we will get to level of 1981, then a pullback, then we will now continue the movement to the upside, right? You can go back to go and watch it. The video is today, you to confirm. Now it has gotten to a level of 2005. Wait for a pullback and we should expect another movement to the upside. So basically, more of this gold analysis will be covered on the Patreon channel. And one of the amazing things is that we are now offering a 40% discount rate on this Patreon channel, which will only last for 2 days. So 2 days and maximum of 3 days. So between Monday and Tuesday, this offer would be over. So you can join in now. So if you need more in-depth analysis on gold, then it will be uploaded on the Patreon channel. You will see the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. So make sure you go to the comment section, follow us, follow us on Telegram. Also subscribe to the Patreon channel, get high probability trade set up from us. You definitely do not want to miss out. Now, this is it on this 1 hour time frame. I will not tell you the precise entry points because one thing is that we will be looking to take a trade on this gold. We will be looking for a good trade to take set up, way to enter this trade and go. So if you are interested, simple, join the Patreon channel. You will find the link in the comment section.